fellow student. First of all, I express my heartiest gratitude and congratulations to you and for your impulsive participation in this auspicious moment. Honorable audience, the name of our madrasa is Tugm-Es Madrasa. It's the entry branch, which was established in the year 2017. We know Tugm-Es is world discipline nation. Truly, Tugm-Es tries to create a discipline nation for the welfare of the country and for the whole Muslim Ummah. Dear presents, we know that discipline is one of the necessities for everyone, in any stage or phase of life, whether at home, office, educational institution, playground, or other places. Even from the heaven above to the earth below, discipline is supreme. The earth, the moon, the sun, not by priests and stars, but according to certain rules. Vice parents, discipline is basically the separation of base desires and is often understood to be similar to self-restraint and control. Honest behavior is another form of discipline. So self-discipline is the biggest investment for success in life. Dear audience, it goes without saying that discipline is the very function of civilized society. It not only helps us in becoming a responsible human being, but also in achieving our goal. Learn to adjust yourself under given situations in life. Actually, life is a journey from Allah to Allah, so we must follow the rules of Allah and maintain discipline. May Allah grant us His way, help us to reach our goal. Ameen. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.